Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can ignore and unignore messages on Facebook Messenger. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Facebook Messenger. Once you open Facebook Messenger, you simply need to select any conversation and then you need to click on the icon in the top right and scroll down, and here you can see the option of restrict. Previously here is an option of, you can say that restrict is the new option, and previously there is an option of ignore and unignore. So you simply need to click on restrict and then you need to go back, so you can see that the conversation is now restrict. So then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to scroll down and then you need to click on privacy, and here you can see the option of restrict accounts. Click on that option and click on that, and then you need to click on unrestrict. So this is a new method by which you can restrict, unrestrict, or you can say that ignore, unignore messages on Facebook Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.